Hi, welcome to our third lesson of the free online courses on AutoCAD Electrical training. For today's lesson, we'll learn about how to insert the wire numbers and modify the wire types. So first, we can go to the schematic tab, and under the insert wire or wire numbers, we will have the wire numbers. So click on it, and the wire tagging dialog box will pop up. And normally for the wire tag mode, we will have two types. One is the sequentials and one is the line reference. So let us try on the sequential first. Click on it. And here we can insert the wire number that we want to start from. For example, I want to start from 101. And after that, normally we'll have two choices. One is a pick individual wires and one is a drawing wire. So let's try this first. So click on it. And now we can select the wire that we want to insert the wire numbers. So click on it. For example, this, and this. And then after we select all the wire that we want, click enter. And the wire numbers already shown. And let's say I want to insert the wire numbers for all wires. I can go here again and then click the sequential and similarly change the starting number to 101. Instead of this one, I will choose the drawing wire. And you see all the wire number already shown. Alright, so this is how we can insert the wire numbers. Let's say I want to copy the wire numbers. I can go here to copy the wire numbers. Click on it, and then we can choose the place that we want to insert the copy wire numbers. For example, here, 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 and here. So on, something like this. Alright, if you notice that the color of the original wire numbers and the copy one is different, so we can go to the layer, and here you see we have the wire numbers and the wire copy. So we can change the color of the wire copy. For example, I want to change to this color, and I click on it and then OK. Alright, so the wire copy numbers already changed. And then we also can right click on the wire numbers, and here got many other options. Like for example, I want to move it, so I can click on it and then click on the place that I want to move it. So for example, here I click on it, here I click on it, here I click on it. So it will move the wire number to the place that I want. But take note that the copy one cannot be moved, only can applicable to the original wire number. So the next is we also can fix the wire number. For example, I don't want it at the top of the wire, so I just click on it and then it will go to the below of the wire. Alright, so but this one also applicable to the copy wire. So you see, if I click on it, so it will change something like this. Okay, so the next one is, for example, I want the wire number in line with the wire, so I can choose this toggle wire number in line, click on it, and then the wire number will go to in line with the wire already. But this one also not applicable to the copy wire copy wire numbers. So if I click on it, nothing will happen. So if I click on the original one, it will go into the line of the wire. Alright, so if I right click again, it will go back to above of the wire again Alright, so let's say now I want to delete the wire numbers. I can go here to choose the delete. If I don't want I delete as the usual, I select the things and then I click the delete button, it will disappear also. But if I use the normal way to delete, you see the wire is not connected anymore. So in order to prevent it, I will use the command here, the delete wire numbers, and then click on the wire that I want to delete and delete it. Alright, so something like this, so the wire will connect back. Alright, so for next is we will modify the wire type. So we can go to the edit wire or wire numbers and then find the create or edit wire types. Click on it and then this one will pop up. Now we can insert the new layer. For example, I want to insert the wire color as gray color, and then click other place. So the layer number name will pop up automatically. Follow the layer name format here. So next one is red, next one is yellow. So all the layer already done created, and remember to change the color. For example, gray color, and then red color, and the last one is the yellow color. Okay, so actually we also can change the light type. Here can look many light type, and also we can change the light weight here. Right, for this demonstration I just remain the default lah, and after that we can just click OK. Alright, now we already can insert the wire, so we can change the layer from here. So for example, I go to the gray wire first. I click on it and then click the wire, and then I insert it. Alright, and then I insert another one for the 102. And for the next one, I want to use the red wire, so I go to change the layer and click the wire again, insert the wire. Right, so this one also I will use red color. So you see the wire will automatically cut off if the component is between the wire. So I continue for the 105 and 106. Alright, so let's say actually the last two I want it in the yellow wire. So how to change it? Actually I can go here, click the drop down here, and then change or convert. Now I want to change it into yellow, so I click on the yellow and click OK, and then select the wire that I want to change it and then enter. Alright, so the wire already changed to the yellow layer lah. Alright, so now I want to insert the wire numbers, so I just go to the wire numbers, and then now I will choose the line reference, because here I already have the line reference here. And then I will just choose the drawing white, so means that I want to select all. Or before that, I will go to setup first to change the default. So now this is I will insert the layer name here, for example gray, and then the default is gray, and then dash %n. So the %n is the line reference number lah. Alright, so I will click add, and then do for another layer, red, change to red, then add, and then change to yellow. Yellow. Alright, so I will click OK. Save the changes, and now I will choose the drawing white to insert the wire number for all the wires. So I just click the wire drawing white, and you see all the wire already insert the wire numbers automatically for following the format that I write just now. Alright, so if you notice that here we'll have the A, because in the same line there are a component here, so the wire is cut into two. So if I want to change the suffix here, I can go to the project and then click on the manager, and then go to find my drawing and right click on it, properties, and then drawing properties, and then go to the wire numbers, and I can change the suffix here. So just now it's A, B, C, and then if I want to change to 1, 2, 3 also can. Yeah, so this is how we can change the suffix. Alright, so I think that's all for today's lesson. Hope you learned something useful from this lesson, and thank you for joining this lesson, and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.